this, because I'm not here. I asked you for a no tip, but don't aspect me. You know what I mean? Because a couple before left it. I saw the couple. I saw both. I just wasn't paying attention.
Time to smash. Time to smash. What? You don't smash during the night. You only smash during the day. Come on, smash, smash, man.
What does that mean?
This crazy black dude here. The stick, but I hit him with the stick in the face. You don't remember him saying that? You were not listening?
You don't smash?
Smash? You don't smash during the night? You only smash?
Was it smash?
You only smash during the day?
That's all you speak. You only. I thought it was speak.
Smash.
Oh, because of us with the stick. You only smash. I get it. I remember now.
Smoke up, rabbit.
Whoop.
Whoop, whoop.
Forgot. Thank you. Sorry,
Shimmy,
sorry
shimmy
I
up.
played tickle you with the fingers.
Tiddle-a-wink-a-dink-a-dink, tiddle-a-wink-a-doo.
Not for the rabbit.
No tiddly-winks for the rabbit.
Just with the woman. That's it.
Yeah, all right.
Just with the women. Guys. This is why I apologize. Listen. To each his own. That's all.
There you go.
I think everybody should be happy. I don't see why we're not. Why aren't we all happy? Oh, that's because we're not all living on the beach. They should move us all to the beaches. Marijuana, mushrooms, move us to the beaches, and we'll all be cured. Hawaii, Cali, come on. Huh?
Hey, man. Good for the mental. Stay in tune with the earth.
It's right. It's the ocean, man. I'll be in there soon. My legs hurt so bad.
Oh, I went in earlier today. It was nice. Ice is right
but
down.
it's so cold.
Nah, you could handle it.
No, look at my legs.
It'd be good for him.
No, I know, but it hurts at the same time. Listen, I already did it. It's excruciating.
How many days ago?
What, today?
Oh, you did? Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay. Yeah, just once a day.
No, I gotta go again because I put aloe. I was sanding my new guitar on top of them.
Wow.
I need to
good
cleanse.
For you. Good for you.
No, I can't sit still because it hurts. I can't die over this stupid shit.
What do you think happened?
I didn't protect myself when I should have. Simple as that. I didn't clean up. I don't know. I let myself open to a staph infection. Spiritually, maybe. Physically, maybe. Not sure.
Oh, you're on top of it now.
Yeah, I'm fighting. I'm a shaman. I mean,
Yeah.
I asked my friend what to put on it. He makes a natural suggestion.
Think strong healing thoughts.
Oh, absolutely. You have to. Because the spiritual part, if you don't, you project. I try to just project good.
You gotta smile like this.
I'm trying, no, because it hurts. I'm
You just
melting.
gotta smile like a.
No, just fake it till you make it. Smile. That's why he gave us a smile. To smile at each other. Hi.
Very bad.
That's why the masks are trouble.
Amen to that too. The masks tear us apart. Cut down on
It's
communication.
Cobra Commando, G.I. Joe. Come on.
Foot Clan, Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, the bad guys always wear like the turtles.
Stormtroopers.
The turtles didn't cover their faces, just their eyes. That's just silly, like Superman, right?
Amen, Doctor.
I'm just trying to be honest.
Sun's going down.
Popeye didn't wear a mask. I took an extra puff. I'm sorry, I got greedy. Thank you. You walk in that ocean and you remember that you were put here, and you are not. You are a smaller part of a giant greater.
There you go. Big ecosystem.
Yes.
Humanity is just one part of it.
But even just each of us,
Oh yeah.
we're not. We make ourselves so special, and we are. We are so special. But the greater the good must outweigh. I mean, the needs of the few. Is that the saying? Just everybody should not have an opinion on destroying this planet we live on. Remember
Well, they
you
should
said
have an opinion. Let's not
there's
do it.
no
Let's not
planet
destroy
B.
it.
Remember you said that.
Yeah. No
You know,
planet
I
B.
saw that somewhere else. There's no planet B. Griff, why? You know why? Because we were tricked first with our food, and then once you can, this is our temple. It's supposed to be, right? And once you can put bad inside it, it's okay to put bad on your planet. And they tricked everybody
There
with
you go.
these terrible pharmaceuticals.
There you go. Preach, doctor.
Good
Preach.
cannabis,
Yeah.
good mushrooms, clean stuff that people say prayers on. That stuff can save us. All of us. We're all the same. Sunshine, flowers, and some mushrooms. Just a little bit.
Fresh air, endorphins,
Fresh air.
natural endorphins.
Endorphins, loving life, a physical activity, a mental inquiry. Read a book. Work on something. Make
Wow.
yourself better.
You're channeling Zappa.
Is that who did he? I'm honored that you said that.
It's his birthday.
Oh, well, happy birthday to Mr. Frank Zappa. He was, remind me of the band.
Mothers of Invention.
Oh, for real? I thought he was somebody else. Zappa? Oh, is he still alive?
No.
Oh, why? Who am I? I'm thinking of Mercury. You said Frank. Who? Frank Zappa?
Yeah.
I never listened to him.
Died in '93. He was 53.
That was 2 years before my son
Dude,
was
he's a
born.
guitar shredder.
You want to see my guitar?
Sure. Let's check it out.
I gotta get it. Hold on, give me a moment. I gotta get another shirt. Never mind, I'll wait till the sun sets. On the ocean. Thank you for that, Griff.
Anytime, doctor.
It helps with the pain, man.
Anytime.
I feel like I'm leaking battery acid out of my leg.